had a little nick in the cutting edge, but stone cut so fast, we're already just about done here. A lot of people are gonna ask why I like the sharpening setup, but you know, people have their own opinions, but I found that this 3-stone set right here works extremely well. It's 400 grit, 2000 grit, 5000 grit, and just the leather strop. With compounds, of course. People may ask, isn't 400 too much of a jump? And 400 to 2K, yeah, you could say that, but anybody who owns a Chosera 400 already knows that it does not leave a 400 grit finish. It's more like an 800 grit finish. And you can go 800 to 2K. Definitely. If people go 1000 to 5000, you can definitely go 800 to 2K. Yeah, we're done here. We're already done. So now we're gonna pull out the new stones. The beautiful, the Shapton Pro. These are the stones I just got not too long ago. Wonderful stones, I mean, seriously. There's gonna be a little comparison at the end here, but yeah, these stones are just immaculate. Do everything you need, really. Do everything you need, nothing you don't. Seriously, like, there's not a lot you can say that's bad about this stone. If you're gonna get these stones, pick up one of these. They load up. So let's get going. Cut steel so fast. Probably only need about a minute on this stone. These are true splash and go stones. Gonna be using Bark River Black and Bark River White compound. That's what I found that works really well. This is our result from about 5 minutes of sharpening.